here.
Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is 8.5-year follow-up on I don't know, some guy that's in it, somewhere between 60 and 70. I don't have his chart handy. And he's looked the same since before we met him, and he doesn't seem to age. So
He does look the same.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
So this fella came in with this hairline, and we did a case on his front, and I think we did a little on his back about a year later. And I remember he did a video. If you look far enough back, he bought some kind of race car that has a convertible top. And I remember he came in his video he talks about how he loved the feel of the wind going through his hair transplant. And that's a winner right there. And so this guy is moving overseas.
Yeah.
And he brought a friend in for a consultation. So what do you think? This is a guy that doesn't age, who looks completely unremarkable.
He looks good. He knows it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and what helps him is that salt and pepper hair, mostly salt now, and it matches his skin underneath of it. And
That eventually will help you too.
that's going to help me too. Working with you, I'm getting more salt. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.